Hey, what's up everybody? I'm in work on this piece right here, and one tip I just wanted to share with everybody real quick, something that's helped me out a lot, is the use of this non-photo blue Prismacolor pencil for my grids and sketches. As you can see here, I draw a grid method. For me, the best method for sure to ensure accurate transfer of the sketch from your reference to your canvas or whatever medium you're using. If you're using a photo reference, if not a lot of freehanders and abstract artists out there, and more power to you guys. This is more for the realists, painters, or I guess photorealists, maybe hyper-realists. I consider realism because it's not quite photorealistic and it's not quite hyper-realistic. I don't like to go into that much detail, but there is a good amount of realism to capture the essence of the subject, of the person. But yeah, I see a lot of people using graphite. And the thing about graphite is, on your lighter areas, it will show through, and sometimes permanently through all your layers, especially if using acrylics only. If using oil or oil top coat, typically the pigments are dense enough to cover the graphite. However, in the case of only acrylics, it will show through, as you can see here. Even on this red, multiple coats, this blue shows through. The reason for the blue, this is actually the same blue as the guides in Photoshop, believe it or not, non-photo blue, so it won't transfer over during the print process, I suppose. I believe that's where the entire premise for this blue color came from. It's a photography thing, which some may know. I do a little bit of that, mostly digital though. The old world stuff was beyond me, but I did do it in school. So this doesn't show through as much as light. Make sure you press light. Definitely use the grid if you can. And we can get into some details about the computer and how to format that, what software to use, tips and tricks. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this. Appreciate it. Peace.